Hello everyone, I'm back again. Now today episode I'm going to share with you, right, why is it that 90%, in fact over 90% of all retail investors, they won't be able to profit from crypto. Not only crypto, any kind of investment. 90% of people always gonna make money. Let me explain to you why. And the reason why I know is because I'm one of them. Okay? And so how to profit from crypto? Not only crypto, anything, but today let's just focus on crypto. So why is it that people cannot profit from crypto? Now, in order for you to profit from crypto, simple. Okay. Now, number one is you just need to make sure you buy low and sell high. Sorry. Yeah, correct. Buy low and sell high. So if you buy low enough, and if you're selling high enough, you make money. Very simple, right? Okay. So right now, if you based on this theory of buy low, sell high, okay, now this is Bitcoin, right? This Bitcoin price chart. This is low, this is high, this is low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, and we are now in the high or low, high or low. So don't know, right? Okay, a lot of people think, okay, based on my seesaw up and down, I think Bitcoin is low. What? Correct? No, it's low. What? And some people say no. Okay, it's not low enough. Okay, but just answer this question first. Is Bitcoin now in the high or in the low? It's in the low, right? So the problem is a lot of people know that it is low, but they feel that it is not low enough. That's why they dare not buy. And why is it that they not buy? Now, the news is not helping you. No? A lot of people are looking at the news. So check it out. When you want to buy, right? Wow, Bitcoin price 2021 record-breaking run still far from big, but 90% crash. And winter will follow. You dare to buy. Okay, here already, I think your balls already become smaller. Yeah, over here, CNBC News, Bitcoin resumes sell off. What, dipping below 32,000. And then now, how much? 40 plus thousand can buy, man. Cryptocurrency bounce back from sell off, but still down. Wow, all the words are down. I didn't show you the picture. They even show the Bitcoin, red color, got blood one, okay? Yeah. So cryptocurrency market crashed by 50%, correct? About 60 over thousand to 30,000, right? So what's next? They say that the next level will be 20,000. And there's a lot of other reason why it will go to 20,000. And you can check out my last video. I talk about the head and shoulder. Okay, so now over here, right? Let's use back the high-low theory. So for example, Polygon Mantic. Yeah, I made a buy call 2 days ago. So I mentioned in my TikTok live session that right now I think is low enough. I think we can take a look at Mantic and it's time to buy, right? So where will be the buy point? I'll check it out. I always use very simple. We just use support resistance. Simple, right? So this is the last high. It is the last high, and then this is the low, correct? That's a support level. So I believe that anything below $1, okay, so I put my buy price at 75 cents. Yeah, so this will be the good range to buy. Then after that, okay, a lot of people say, see how it goes. Pum, what happened? So, wow, the news came out. Mark Cuban invest in Polygon. Just as we speak, right? Okay, all these are the latest news. And then what happened to the price? Boom! Then some people message me, can buy or not? Can buy or not? High, you want to buy. Low, you don't want to buy. So you buy low, sell high, right? So you buy low, you sell high. And then this is low, you don't want to buy. Now you want to buy. So now, do you understand why everyone will be always trapped? They always like to buy high, sell low. How to make money? Okay. So in order for you to make money, you need to buy low, sell high. Okay. So for example, right now, Bitcoin is off 50%. So it's high or low? It's high or low? It's low, right? Yeah. So you buy or don't buy? Up to you. Yeah. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you. Then, for example, VeChain, I also call for a buy below 10 cents. Okay, so now this is now considered high or low? Still about, okay, not exactly 50%, it's 48%, right? So it's still 48% from its top. So it's considered high or low from its high price. It's still considered low, right? So 50% off. And some people will ask, but what if it goes down some more? Is there a chance? Of course, there's a chance, right? Oh, so take a look at this super complicated concept, okay, of what we call it the Wyckoff, right? Okay, wow, the Bitcoin mirror exactly the same. So it's going to go down all the way to 20,000, even 12,000 or 18,000, correct? So based on the head and shoulder, yeah. So you must always be prepared to be wrong. Now, in investment, you don't always get it right 100%. You must be prepared to be wrong. So I ask you this question. Over here, right? If you are wrong, then what are you going to do next? You buy some more. That means, right, you do not go in one shot to buy everything. Who asked you to put all your money in and buy? When I say all money, I'm talking about gambling fund. Gambling fund. So you don't put all your money in to buy, right? Yeah, you put some money to buy. If let's say it go down some more, you can buy again, you can buy again. Average down. Yeah, average down at these two level. 20,000 one time, and maybe 10,000 another time, okay? For example, right? So you're prepared to be wrong. Then you're just getting, so you over, if let's say you are wrong, so you buy, you thought this is low enough, then you buy here. If let's say the whole market reverse, that means you bought the bottom. Oh, congratulations. But if you didn't manage to catch the bottom, you buy here, you didn't buy the lowest, but you bought low enough. And then after that, if let's say you go down some more, you didn't get into the lowest point, again, you managed to get in low enough. So over here, right, in investing, it is very difficult to buy the absolute bottom and sell at the absolute top. No, who can do it over the long run consistently? No one can do it. Like, come on now, all right? Okay, so you just need to buy low enough and sell high enough. You make money already. That was so greedy. Okay, then, to quickly, need to quickly charge my laptop. Okay, once again. Yeah, sorry. So what if you're right? Yeah. So what if what if this whole thing didn't go down and you didn't buy? Oh, you feel very stupid, correct? Like, yeah, I knew this is low enough. You knew, then you never buy. Correct? You don't know lah. No one knows. That's the thing. No one knows. No one knows. So investing, it's all about making a decision when you don't know what's going to happen next. Because when you know already, it's often too late. Yeah. So example right now, let's take a look. Okay. So the hardest thing in investing is to make a buying decision. So over here, right? Okay, a lot of people will tell you, only I buy here, sell here, buy here, buy here again, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. So now, okay, now buy or sell? Huh? Now I don't buy first because I think it's gonna go down some more. So what if you go up? Cannot be. Check this out, man. Correct, okay? Yeah. Check this out. Head and shoulder. Why go pattern? Will come down. News already say. Expert also say. Sure come down one big cat bounce. Okay. Everything considered. Yeah, I understand. So this could be a big cat bounce, right? Yeah. At the current situation, this could be a big cat bounce. I agree. Now I ask you, what if it is not a big cat bounce? What if lah? What if? Then I buy back at a higher price. You sure you dare to buy back? You will feel very stupid one. I tell you, investing, it's emotional, super emotional. If it is not emotional, a lot of people make money. Because when it is at a low, you didn't buy. Then when it go up to a high, you will feel stupid to buy. Then when it come back down, then you feel lucky never buy. You will go down some more. Then after you didn't buy, then you go back up already. Hey, how come I'm so stupid just now I never buy? You will always be screwing your mind. Okay, so you just need to understand that the hardest thing to do is to make a decision at the right edge of the extreme corner of your price. So over, here, correct, here, okay, here. So right now, buy or don't buy. Yeah, my suggestion will be you can make a call, but just prepare to be wrong. So if you buy, if you go down some more, you buy some more. If it go up, at least you buy something. So at least, right, you know that your foot is still inside, you're still in the game. Yeah, so that is how that's how I make an investment decision. Yeah, and I'm always prepared to be wrong. So when I'm wrong, at least I know what to do. And when I'm right, at least I did something. Correct or not? Okay. So rather than just talking, yeah, if you're able to do it, we won't know what Bitcoin is going to do next. You just have to make sure that you are prepared to be wrong. And so here's my parting words, right? The best time to buy when the fear is at its highest. So if you feel that right now a lot of people are still fearful, probably still a good time to buy. But don't take my word for it. And this is not financial advice. Remember, I am not any guru. In fact, I learned all my strategies from this guy called Monkey Guru, and I'm always wrong. So hopefully you'll be able to invest safe and profit from this crash. Bye-bye, everyone.